Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add audio spectrum in Capcut laptop. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Capcut app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the video on which you would like to add a audio spectrum. Once imported successfully, drag it onto the timeline and click on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. After that, click on stickers and then select icons from the left side menu and start scrolling down. After scrolling down a bit, you can see that we have got the audio spectrum sticker. Now click and drag above your video and then adjust it to your liking. You can also add another spectrum in order to make it look wider, but that's it. So that's basically how you can add audio spectrum in Capcut laptop. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.